Hey guys, welcome back to JCZ Crafting Vlogs and more. Today we're going to take a peek into my November 2024 gardening update and see what our herbs and veggies has been doing thus far. So enjoy the video. Welcome back to JCZ Craft Vlogs and more. Alright, so here we are here. As you saw, I did a tuna wraps video where I did harvest some more of our black seeded Simpson lettuce. So delicious, and it's winding down. I don't think I'm gonna get too much more from these in the front for some reason. And today is November 12th, okay? And so our lettuce has been growing for about 44 days now. So yeah, so this is winding down, and so I am going to probably remove these soon and bring my tomatoes up here. But as you can see, the bell peppers, y'all see the buds, y'all? Look at the buds coming in. Okay, now the bottom has, the leaves were turning yellow and then dropping off, dying off, but as you can see, it looks good up top, so it's looking good. Our mint, it's doing well, but, and I'm gonna remove this too, that's back there, but the mint is doing good. And I did harvest some of the mint and gave to my oldest daughter. So the mint is doing wonderful. So I did harvest some of these. Okay. And turning a little brown, but it'll be okay. I'm gonna harvest some more. Now back here is our kale, which, you know, I want to move these so they can really do its thing back there too. So we'll be doing some switching out so everything is good and everything looks great. You know, the mint been growing for 44 days. But this is what we're looking at, and I love it. You can see the buds coming in. So I can't wait to see what I reap from these purple bell peppers. I'm excited, y'all. Let's move on to the next garden. And this is lead pot. Hey y'all, my herbs are doing wonderful. Look at this beautiful basil. I'm only here because I'm about to cut some of the basil. Okay, not the purple one though. And look at my sisu. Look at that. Oh my God, the leaves are huge. I would like to try it in my dish, but I'm not sure. Okay, but the thyme is looking wonderful. I wanted to grow some more before I even decide to touch it. But I am going to snip some of these, okay? To use in my dish. And just want some of the basil. All right. Let me get some. I'll be back. Okay, I changed my mind only because I wanted to get a little taller, you know? So I'm gonna wait before I start harvesting the basil and the rest of these. I wanted to get a little taller, and so I'm gonna wait it out, okay? So I'll be back, and I'm gonna have to put my rosemary and switch it up somewhere else so I can get enough light as well. But this is the garden, my herb garden. It looks wonderful. Now let's look over here at my garden. So the kale is doing great, but it seems, yeah, I'm gonna have to, you see I haven't changed anything out. Our tomato plant is growing wonderful. Okay, it's getting tangled down here though. So I'm gonna have to do something with that. And of course, our chicory is doing its thing. Still no flower yet, but hopefully soon. But I'll be back with an update. So I can't wait for some tomatoes to start growing. So I'm gonna have to adjust this. All right, so I'll be back with another update soon. Hey guys, so as you can see, I need to do some change-ins here. I'm gonna replant. I'm about to wash out the pot. You see here our black seedless lettuce. It's growing new stems, as you can see. I mean, new leaves and everything. I think I'm kind of done a little bit with these, and I want to start weakening because you see my kale is not doing well. It needs to be with the others, and my mint leaves is turning brown, so I need to really work this out, and it's time to add some nutrition. But before I do that, we're going to clean out our lead pot and get it done. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Today is November 17th. This is day 49 for the bell peppers, and like I said, you got the buds on there, but I think it could do better thriving by itself. So I'm gonna have the bell peppers in the peppermint, I mean not the peppermint, the tomato plant in this lead pot, and we're gonna go ahead and transfer stuff today. So 49 days, this is day 49 for the bell pepper, and it is doing amazing. It really is. And as far as you see the black seeded lettuce, I'm kind of done with that. I'll plant some fresh ones later, fresh seeds. As for the mint, this is day 49 as well. What else? The kale. So this is day 29 for the kale. So let's go ahead and do this. Hey, this is what we looking like. Now our roots here is looking good, okay? It looks brown mostly, but I think it's from the food. It doesn't look as root rot as you would think, but our peppers look amazing. So let's go ahead and, like I said, I'm about to clean this up. It doesn't look too bad in the bowl at all. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be back. All right, y'all, here's my wild baby. So we are about to clean this up. So question is, I do need to get, I told you I need to get another vase, another machine for this. And then we cleaned out our lead pot. So I am about to put my, I'm about to put my veggies, this is my tomatoes, sorry y'all. About to put my tomatoes with the green peppers, so wish me luck. All right, because this is gonna be some work trying to get this out of here, because I told y'all the roots are serious, baby, okay? The roots are serious on this thing here, okay? Look at there, and you see, it's looking good, so let's get started. I'll be back. Hopefully taking these out, I haven't, destroyed the roots, but I do have to, this is going to be difficult, okay? Because the roots are serious to detangle, but we got this, we got this. I see the chicory root right there, okay? And, yeah, that's what I'm looking for, so I can make that coffee. So, and the plant closes up, y'all, okay? See how the plant closes up? So let's get these roots cleaned and start cleaning our pot. And the pot is not bad though. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave me a comment and share me out and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching and supporting my channel. Have a blessed one.